Good morning, students. How are you all? How was your PT2 exam? I hope exam was good and you are great at home. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 17, Solar System, Star and Solar System. Okay, in this lesson we are going to study about the solar system, galaxies, even planets, satellite, the natural satellite, artificial satellite one by one. In this video, we will study about the stars solar system. Okay, let us start. So first of all, you find many jewel-like objects twinkling in the sky. These are called stars. Suppose I think in the after the time of sunset, you can find some jewel-like substances which are found in the sky. So jewel-like means jewelry. Jewel means jewelry. जो that are twinkling, जो चमचमाते हैं in that way. So that are called as stars. These are some other star-like, there are some other star-like objects which appear larger than the rest, but they do not flicker, are called planets. Stars से भी बड़ा कुछ दिखता है, they don't have the characteristics of twinkling, जो चमचमाते नहीं हैं, बड़े दिखते हैं. So that objects are called as planet, So the difference between star and planet is stars are having the capacity, they are giving energy, they are twinkling, they are the characteristics of flicker, So and planet, they don't have their own heat or energy. So they don't have the characteristics of flickering or twinkling. First of all, we will let us discuss about the what is meant by universe, So whatever the stars, galaxies, planets, satellites, they are found in universe. So ये जो universe क्या है? The vast space which includes everything. Vast space, बहुत बड़ी जगह है जिसमें सब कुछ आता है. It includes or accumulate everything that exists the earth and around it is called the universe. हमारे लिए यही universe है. तो the universe includes the celestial, or celestial means the heavenly bodies like the stars, the planets and their satellite, meteors, comets and asteroids. So stars है, planets है, asteroids है, meteoroids है, comets है, ये सब कुछ है and vast space है, that is called as universe. The branch of science which deals with study of heavenly bodies is called astronomy. It is just general knowledge, ये सबका जो study करते हैं उसको astronomy बोलते हैं, and I thoroughly believe in that astronomy and it is very close to my heart, students. I believe that because India is the we Indians are having the culture, and our Rishi Munis have discovered lots of things. They believe that, they relate the movement of planets and that galaxies, they believe that their movement is related to our life. Okay, in this lesson we will discuss one by one whatever given in your textbook. This was the just little bit apart from syllabus. Okay, first of all we will discuss about the moon. What is meant by moon? Moon is the natural satellite of earth. This is very simple definition, simple information the students are having. Moon earth ka natural satellite hai. What is meant by satellite? Satellite is an object which has the fixed orbit, which has a fixed mass, and it revolves around the particular planet. So if moon is the satellite of earth, so definitely moon revolve around the earth itself. It's spinning, as well as it has orbit, means उसका एक fixed path होता है, that is called as orbit, and in that fixed path में से वो it revolves around the earth. That is, this is the only natural satellite of earth. A celestial body around a planet is known as satellite. Simple. All the planets except all the planets, that planets which are present, we are talking about our solar system. तो ऑल द प्लैनेट्स एक्सेप्ट मर्क्यूरी एंड वीनस, मर्क्यूरी एंड वीनस छोड़ के हैव, बाकी सभी प्लैनेट को उनके खुद के नेचुरल सैटेलाइट है. अर्थ को मून है ओनली सैटेलाइट. द मून इज द अर्थ्स ओनली नेचुरल सैटेलाइट. द अर्थ्स मून इज द ब्राइटेस्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. हमें अर्थ में से मून ब्राइटेस्ट ऑब्जेक्ट दिखता है इन द स्काई. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज वेरी नियर टू द अर्थ, यू नो, and that's why it is the natural satellite of earth. Earth का natural satellite है, it is near to earth and that's why it looks brightest. If planet don't have their light or heat, of course moon don't have its own heat or light, you know. Whatever the light is given by sun, it goes towards the मून एंड इट इज रिफ्लेक्टेड बैक टूवर्ड्स द अर्थ. मून पे जाती है, जो रिफ्लेक्ट होके अर्थ में आती है, अर्थ पे आती है, दैट पार्ट ऑफ मून वी आर एबल टू सी. सो हमें क्या लगता है कि मून को खुद की लाइट है, बट एक्चुअली दिस इज नॉट ट्रूथ. ट्रूथ ये है कि सन की सनलाइट मून पे जाती है एंड वो रिफ्लेक्ट होके अर्थ पे आती है. जितना रिफ्लेक्ट होके अर्थ पे आ रहा है, वी आर एबल टू सी दैट पार्ट ऑफ द मून ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर डे. क्लियर? So the moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. The Earth's moon is the brightest object in the night sky. The moon has no light of its own. This silvery moonlight, you can see the picture, how beautiful is this picture, and actually moon is simply beautiful. The silvery moonlight is the light from the sun which is reflected by the moon's surface. Because the moon is nearer to the earth, it appears to be much bigger than the stars. अर्थ के बहुत पास है एंड स्टार्स, वॉट एवर द स्टार्स, हमारा सन, इफ वी आर कंसिडरिंग सन इज ऑल्सो, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन सन एंड अर्थ इज very much, you know, comparatively moon. So and the other stars, whatever the stars in this universe, they are very away, very far distance, very away from the earth. So we can see them. Some stars we can see them, they flicker, they twinkle in the sky, but their size, we think that it's very small object, but actually it is false. Stars are having the very large size, but it is very away from the earth, so we are not able to see its actual size. Distance of the moon from the earth is 3,84,400 kilometer. Clear? इतना distance है, 3,84,400 kilometer distance between the earth and the moon, and that's why we can see very big brightest object in the sky from the earth, which is moon. Time taken by the moon to complete one revolution around the earth is 27 days and 8 hours. Clear? मून को, अर्थ को एक रिवोल्यूशन कंप्लीट करने के लिए 27 डेज एंड 8 आवर्स लगते हैं, और अर्थ को, सन को वन रिवोल्यूशन कंप्लीट करने में 365 डेज एंड 8 आवर्स लगते हैं. क्लियर? सो ये जो 27 डेज एंड 8 आवर्स जो है, वी हिंदू पीपल, हम जो मून के अकॉर्डिंग हमारा कैलेंडर है, सो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं, उसे हम वी आर कंसिडरिंग 28 डेज वी आर कंसिडरिंग एज 1 मंथ. वो जो हमारा न्यू मून है, देन न्यू मून है एंड देन फुल मून है, उनके बीच का जो है, दैट इज वी हिंदूज आर कंसिडरिंग इट एज अ 1 मंथ. मून्स डायमीटर इज अबाउट, उसका डायमीटर ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव एन आइडिया, वो जो इसमें सेंटर में से जो जाएगा उसे हम बोलते हैं, वी आर कॉलिंग इट डायमीटर. अबाउट 3,474 किलोमीटर है उसका डायमीटर. सो अ लिटिल मोर देन 1/4 ऑफ द अर्थ साइज. 1/4 अगर हम अर्थ का साइज कंसिडर करते हैं तो उससे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा इसका डायमीटर है. मीन्स अर्थ इज वेरी वेरी लार्ज कंपैरेटिवली मून, बिकॉज अर्थ इज अ प्लैनेट. इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ माउंटेन्स एंड क्रेटर्स. सो किससे बने हैं? माउंटेन्स एंड क्रेटर्स से बना हुआ है मून. Craters are saucer-shaped holes formed when asteroids and comets from the स्पेस हिट द मून्स सरफेसेस। तो क्या है, माउंटेन्स है, जैसे हम बोलते हैं हिल्स एंड वैली है, एंड क्रेटर्स है, मीन्स नीचे गया हुआ है। वो किसकी वजह से है, जैसे एस्टेरॉइड आके उस पर इट हिट, एस्टेरॉइड हैज हिट और द कॉमेट हैज द हिट ऑन द मून, उसकी वजह से। एंड यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन हाउ इज द सरफेस ऑफ द मून। सो देर आर मेनी स्टीप्स एंड हाई माउंटेन्स ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द मून। इसकी वजह से मीन्स बहुत बड़ा एंड नीचे वाला जो बोलते हैं हिल्स एंड वैली जैसा स्ट्रक्चर यू कैन फाउंड ऑन द मून। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द एटमॉस्फेयर ऑफ मून्स। द मून हैज नो एयर. If air is not there, definitely there is no atmosphere. If atmosphere is not there, there is no life. You can imagine, students, if you will close your nostrils, ऐसे nostrils close करोगे, if and you will put something on your mouth, and if you will not able to take the breath within a 1 or 2 minute, you will feel highly suffocate, and you want to breathe, because nobody, the living being cannot live without the oxygen, air actually. Plants need CO2 in this way. If air is not there, definitely atmosphere is not there, and if atmosphere is not there, life is not there. So life on the moon, no life exists on the moon because of the absence of atmosphere. What is the surface temperature of the moon during the lunar day? 123 degrees Celsius. 123 degrees Celsius means it's very high. We are not able to survive more than 35 degrees Celsius, 35 to 37 degrees Celsius is the maximum temperature of our body. हम उससे ज़्यादा we cannot bear with that temperature. So 123 degrees Celsius means it's very high. And at the time of night, the minus 233 degrees Celsius temperature, it is very cold, So existence of life is not possible there. It is true, we never see the backside of the moon from the earth. हम बैक साइड जो है अर्थ का वो हम नहीं देख सकते हैं. वी कैन सी ओनली फ्रंट साइड ऑफ द मून, बिकॉज वॉट एवर द सनलाइट इज गोज ऑन द मून, उसका रिफ्लेक्शन होके जो आता है वी आर एबल टू. सो एक्चुअली वॉट एवर वी आर सेइंग, दिस इज ऑल्सो द मैकेनिज्म. सनलाइट आता है, वो रिफ्लेक्ट होके हमारे आईज में जाता है, एंड वी आर एबल टू सी दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट. सेम मैकेनिज्म हो रही है, तो हम उसका बैक साइड देख ही नहीं पाते हैं फ्रॉम द. दिस इज बिकॉज द मून रोटेट्स अबाउट इट्स एक्सिस. जैसे अर्थ खुद अपने एक्सिस पे रोटेट होके रिवोल्यूशन करती है सन को, सेम थिंग मून है, इट इज ऑल्सो स्पिनिंग ऑन इट्स own axis and it take revolution around the earth. Same thing over here. So axis in about same time that it takes to orbit the earth. This results in the same phase turn towards the earth at all times. Same ही phase हमें देखने को मिलता है. You can see the near side of the earth and the far side of the earth. You can see on the screen, students. The side of the moon that faces is called the near side, and the opposite side is called the far side. I hope you understood. We have discussed about the moon, how it looks and how its surface, its temperature, atmosphere and all the things. Now we will move towards the next topic, phases of the moon. Everybody is having the idea, because whenever we are observing in the sky, same means the structure of moon we are not able to see same in all the days. If 15 days you will observe, you will have the different structure of moon on each and every day. Why it's happened? So that is called as phases of moon. उसे हम phases of moon कहते हैं. The moon revolves around the earth because that is the natural satellite of the earth, and it is revolve around the earth. The earth along with the moon also revolves around the sun. Moon is revolving itself, also moon is spinning itself, as well as it's revolving around the earth is spinning itself, as well as it's revolve around the sun. Means all the things is going on. खुद भी वो क्या कर रहे हैं, they are spinning and simultaneously they are revolving around the sun. अर्थ सन को रिवॉल्व कर रही है, मून अर्थ को रिवॉल्व कर रहा है. इन दिस वे द मून रिफ्लेक्ट सनलाइट फॉलिंग ऑन इट. अब क्या है, सन बीच में है, just sun is at the center and earth has its own orbit. earth का खुद का एक orbit है, path earth has decided, उसमें वो revolve हो रहा है. earth के बाद मून है, उसने क्या किया है, उसने खुद का ऑर्बिट किया है. सो ये तीनों का आई हैव शोन यू ऑन योर स्क्रीन हाउ इट इज. एट द सेंटर सन, देन अर्थ एंड द मून, इन दिस वे. So the moon reflects sunlight falling on it towards the earth. You see different portions of the sun that lit surfaces from the earth depending upon the relative positions of the sun, moon and the earth. वो खुद भी रिवॉल्व हो रहे हैं, रोटेट हो रहे हैं. सो क्या हो रहा है कि कितना पार्ट उसके सनलाइट के कॉन्टैक्ट्स में आ रहा है, उनके खुद के पोजीशन क्या है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग उनका क्या होता है. वी कैन सी द पार्ट ऑफ द मून एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज फेजेस ऑफ मून. द डे टू डे चेंजेस इन द शेप ऑफ द मून एज सीन फ्रॉम द अर्थ आर कॉल्ड द फेजेस ऑफ द मून. हम किसे बोलते हैं, डे टू डे लाइफ में जो चेंजेस हो रहे हैं मून के रिलेटिव टू द पोजीशन ऑफ वी आर स्टैंडिंग ऑन द अर्थ. हम अर्थ से खड़ा होकर डे टू डे चेंजेस का शेप का हो रहा है मून को, उसे हम फेजेस ऑफ मून कहते हैं. लेट अस सी हाउ द मून अपीयर इन द स्काई एवरी डे. कैसे हो रहा है न्यू मून. न्यू मून मीन्स, न्यू मून किसे बोलते हैं, हम जिसे वी आर कॉलिंग इट अमावस्या बोलते हैं. आई थिंक अक्रॉस द इंडिया द सेम वर्ड यूजिंग. So new moon means no moon. Amavasya means no moon, completely dark. When the moon is in between the earth and sun, earth के and sun के between जब moon आता है, got it my point? Because revolution हो रहा है and बिल्कुल उसके बीच में आ रहा है. तो what happen? The earth and the sun, then the side of the moon lit by the sun. अब क्या हो गया, यहाँ पे sun है, यहाँ पे moon है, यहाँ पे earth है. तो सन ने अपना सनलाइट दे दिया, बट वॉट हैपन, वो रिफ्लेक्ट होके सन के पास चला गया. सनलाइट हैज रिफ्लेक्टेड बैक टूवर्ड्स द सन एंड वो सनलाइट अर्थ पे नहीं आया. अर्थ यहाँ पे है, अर्थ पे वो सनलाइट आया ही नहीं. सो वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी द मून. वेरी सिंपल मैकेनिज्म एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज न्यू मून, नो मून एंड इन इंडियंस, वी इंडियंस आर कॉलिंग इट अमावस्या. As the moon moves in its orbit around the earth from position 1 to 2, a small sunlit portion of the moon's surface, and धीरे धीरे क्या हो जाता है, that position is going to change because everyone is revolving, spinning. तो वो जैसे time is going, उसके according to the time उनके पोजीशंस आर चेंज एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट जितना हमें देखने को मिलता है सनलाइट उस पर जाके जितना रिफ्लेक्ट होगा अर्थ पे उतना हमें देखने को मिलेगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड क्रेसेंट मून. द इंक्रीजिंग साइज ऑफ द लाइटेड पार्ट ऑफ द मून इज कॉल्ड वैक्सिंग. उसे हम वैक्सिंग बोलते हैं. एंड फर्स्ट क्वार्टर, as the moon moves further from position 2 to 3, the sunlit portion of the moon facing the earth becomes bigger. अब क्या होगा, न्यू मून जब था, अमावस्या जब था, तो बिल्कुल तीनों एक ही लाइन में थे. सन अर्थ, सन अर्थ एंड सन मून एंड अर्थ. अब क्या होगा, ये थोड़ा थोड़ा चेंजेस होगा. यहाँ पे सन आएगा, यहाँ पे मून आएगा, अर्थ यहाँ चला जाएगा. सो उनका थोड़ा थोड़ा चेंजेस होगा. वो चेंजेस कंटिन्यूअसली होगा एंड मून हमें ज़्यादा देखने को मिलेगा. तो इन दिस वे, तो पहले थोड़ा देखने को मिला, क्रेसेंट, वैक्सिंग एंड देन क्वार्टर आ गया. तो मून फेसिंग द अर्थ बिकम्स बिगर. जैसे बड़ा हो जाएगा मून हमें दिखने को, within a week you see half of the moon. It is called its first quarter. जब हमें एक वीक में अमावस्या के बाद, न्यू मून के बाद, आफ्टर न्यू मून 1 week we will see, we can able to see the half moon. It is called as its first quarter. Now waxing gibbous moon. As the moon moved further from position 3 to 4, you see more than half of the moon and it is called the gibbous moon. Now we will move towards the full moon. So the distance, the time period between this new moon to full moon is the 15 days. 1 week, when that 1 week was passed, so we have seen the quarter moon. उसके बाद अब हम we are moving towards the full moon. ये जो क्वार्टर मून के 1 वीक के बाद क्या होगा, फुल मून आएगा. आफ्टर 2 weeks टाइम द मून रीचेस इन पोजीशन fifth, which is on the side of earth farthest from the sun से बहुत क्या बोलते हैं उसको, दूर चला गया. So क्या होगा, इस उसके whatever the sunlight will reach on the moon, it will reflected towards the earth पे reflect हो पाएगा, and we can see the full moon. In this position, the whole sunlit side of the moon is towards the earth, so you see the full moon. It is called Purnima. We Indians are called it Purnima. Very bright because it has the maximum moonlight on that night. वो moonlight on that day maximum. Waning moon. Now, first of all, we have discussed about the new moon, that is अमावस्या. अमावस्या के बाद it started, वो थोड़ा थोड़ा दिखना स्टार्ट हो गया. वैक्सिंग आया, देन क्रेसेंट आया, देन क्वार्टर मून आ गया, गिबस आ गया. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव सीन द पूर्णिमा, फुल मून वी हैव सीन. फुल मून के बाद अगेन वो क्या हो जाएगा, उसका जो ब्राइटनेस था, उसका जो शेप था, वो इट विल स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली गोज डिक्रीज, छोटा छोटा होता जाएगा. After full moon day, the sunlit portion of moon facing the earth becomes smaller and smaller. This decreasing size of the lighted part of the moon is called waning. इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, waning बोलते हैं. उसको waxing बोलते थे, ये waning है. The increasing and decreasing size of the lighted part of the moon as the moon revolves around the earth is called phases of the moon. Very simple. Now students, we will discuss about the stars. First of all, we have I told you that stars are having their own heat and light, that's why they are twinkling. And stars, planets don't have their heat and light. So first of all, the stars, we see many tiny stars in the sky at night. The stars are actually bigger than the earth. Stars are actually bigger than the earth, but they are very far away from the earth, so we are not able to recognize or determine the actual size of the star from the earth, you know. That's why it's looking smaller size. These are only visible during the night. During the day we can't see the stars due to bright sunlight. We are even not able to see moon at the daytime because the sunlight is very bright and the sun is very near comparatively other stars from the earth, and that's why that sunlight is very bright, you know. So a star is a huge ball of glowing gases. So you could have the question, madam, what is meant by star? Yes, you told that usko khud ka hit and energy hota hai, but what is this, how it gives a hit and energy? So generally stars are made up of gases, you know. So it held together, gases hai but ek jagah pe hai. The heat and light of a star is generated by nuclear reaction. If you will have the question कैसे होता है, तो nuclear reaction mechanism से it gives heat and energy in which hydrogen changes into helium. इसमें क्या होता है, हाइड्रोजन हेलियम में चेंज होता है, एंड हेलियम इज द इनर्ट गैस विच हैज़ द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, वो लाइट देता है, एनर्जी देता है. ऑल द स्टार्स अपीयर टू मूव फ्रॉम द ईस्ट टू वेस्ट बिकॉज आवर अर्थ रोटेट्स अबाउट इट्स एक्सिस फ्रॉम द वेस्ट टू द ईस्ट. एक्चुअली अर्थ का रोटेशन कैसा है, वेस्ट टू ईस्ट है, क्लियर. एंड सन का, स्टार्स का रोटेशन कैसे होता है, उनका ईस्ट टू वेस्ट होता है. सो दैट्स वाई वी हैव द सन. हम जो सनराइज बोलते हैं वो सनराइज वगैरह कुछ नहीं होता है, दैट इज वी आर एबल टू सी द सन. हम वो टाइम पे सन देखते हैं, दैट्स वाई वी आर कॉलिंग इट सनराइज. बट स्टार हैज इट्स फिक्स पोजिशन, यू नो. सो स्टार का फिक्स पोजिशन होता है, प्लैनेट आर मूविंग अराउंड इट. It is for the same reason the sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. उसका खुद का, उसका जो revolving है वो east to west है. Sun has the revolution, revolving. Sun appears to move from east to west because our earth, हमारा earth west to east क्या होता है, revolve करता है. Now students, we are discuss about the solar system. It's very interesting. Solar system means, what is meant by solar system? Including sun, planets, whatever the planets, 8 planets are there, and we are going to discuss about that. The solar system consists of the sun, the 8 planets. Sun is a star, and 8, including sun, 8 planets are there. And their satellites, of course, the planets are having their own satellite. So that satellites, then thousands of other small heavenly bodies such as asteroids, meteoroids, comets. So ये सब जो है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? We are calling it solar system. That solar system diagram is given on your screen, and you can see very beautiful it looks. Sun, then Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, even Earth. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Okay, one by one we are going to study about it. First of all, we will discuss about the sun. Sun, very simple, the sun is the nearest star to the earth. All the planets and celestial bodies revolve around the sun. So sun is the head of the solar system. Suppose in your family, generally in Indian families, father is a head of family. In absence of father, mother is head of family. In solar system, just like this. In solar system, sun is the head of family. This solar system. If we compare the sun with other stars, we find that it is medium sized and is of average brightness. It appears to be larger and brighter because it is closer to the earth. Very easy, very easy. I think you understood. Now, what is sun? How it is working? So, sun, it is the round shaped that which is made up of gases. The sun is a glowing ball of gases. The major gases are hydrogen and helium. Clear? So which gases are present in sun? It is the sun is a glowing ball, and it consists of hydrogen and helium. The nuclear fusion reaction, due to this nuclear reaction, it gives lots of heat and energy. Taking place inside the sun releases large amount of energy. The sun is the main source of heat and light from the sun takes on an average of 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the earth. Sunlight, it takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds reaches to the earth from the sun. Clear? Sunlight को 8 मिनट एंड 20 सेकेंड लगते हैं सन से निकलने के बाद अर्थ तक पहुंचने के लिए. Let us study some characteristics of sun. Distance of sun from the earth is 149.63 million kilometer. इतना डिस्टेंस है सन से अर्थ तक का. Size, what is the sun of size? 109 times bigger in size than the earth. Earth से 109 times bigger है sun. What is the mass of sun? About 333,000 times heavier than the earth. कितना है? अर्थ से 333,000 times heavier, इससे भी ज़्यादा heavier है इतना. Diameter 14 into I think 1 lakh, 14 into 1 lakh kilometer, इतना उसका क्या है? Diameter है. Means 1/5. 14 into 1/5 kilometer diameter है sun का. What's about temperature? So actually this is the source of energy, heat and everything. So temperature, it is horrible. Surface of the sun is about 5500 degrees Celsius. Oh my god, 55 degrees Celsius. At the center, 15 million degrees Celsius. Very immense, huge temperature sun has. Now we will discuss about the life. It is believed that the sun was formed about 4.6 billion years ago. Sun is formed. It is estimated that the sun may continue to give its light and heat to us for at least another 5 billion years. Thus, the total life of the sun has been estimated to be about 10 billion years. So 4.6 billion years ago it is formed, it is believed that, and more at least another 5 billion years it can give same type of heat and energy. So it is believed that total life of sun would be 10 billion years. So students, this was the first video I have made for you. I think students, you have enjoyed. We have discussed about the solar system and planets, what are the planets and all the things. Just we have seen how many planets, 8 planets are there. We have discussed about the moon. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth, phases of moon, and why we can see the moon, why it is brightest. So we have discussed about all these things in this video. I think students, you understood, you have enjoyed this video. And how was the video? Just tell me in comment box, so I will come to know how was your journey, how and what was information you get from this video. Take care. Bye bye.